Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: an unlocked iPhone, current Wi-Fi connection, and the router admin login. Tap Settings, then Wi-Fi to verify network. Once done, open Safari or your router app. Use the router IP or stored app to access settings. You need the admin username and password. If you don't have them, check the router label or contact the network owner. Make sure to back up any custom settings before you change the access point name to avoid losing configurations. You log into the router interface, type the IP or launch the vendor app, then enter admin credentials. Once authenticated, navigate to wireless, Wi-Fi, or SSID settings. Some routers hide this under advanced. Find the SSID field, that's the access point name, and replace it with your chosen name. While editing, check the Wi-Fi band and security mode. Make sure to keep WPA2 or WPA3 for security. After changing the name, note that devices will drop connection and need to reconnect to the. You apply the change and wait for the router to save settings. It may reboot. Once the router restarts, open Settings Wi-Fi on your iPhone, find the new SSID, and tap to join. Enter the Wi-Fi password if requested. If your phone won't see the new name, forget the old network on the iPhone and toggle Wi-Fi off then on. As a troubleshooting tip, if devices still fail to connect, power cycle the router and iPhone, or perform a router settings, reset only if you have backed up the configuration.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.